We often walk by trees every day without a second thought, but what we may not realize is that these silent giants are hard at work, playing a vital role in the health of our planet. Native trees in particular are like superheroes in disguise, offering a wealth of benefits that we are just beginning to fully understand. These remarkable plants do more than just beautify our landscapes. They are essential for clean air, clean water, and the very survival of countless species, including our own. Native trees have evolved over thousands of years to thrive in specific regions, forming intricate relationships with the local ecosystems. This makes them perfectly adapted to the local climate, soil, and wildlife. Unlike non-native species, which can sometimes disrupt the delicate balance of an ecosystem, native trees work in harmony with their surroundings, contributing to a thriving and resilient environment. And native trees are like bustling cities for wildlife. They provide food and shelter for a wide array of creatures, from the tiniest insects to majestic birds and mammals. Think of a majestic oak tree. Its branches offer nesting sites for birds, while its acorns provide a nutritious food source for squirrels, chipmunks, and even deer. Insects, vital for pollination and a healthy ecosystem, also depend on native trees. Many butterfly species, for example, rely on specific native tree species for their caterpillars to feed on. These intricate relationships highlight the interconnectedness of life in an ecosystem and underscore the importance of native trees as keystones for biodiversity. The roots of native trees are hidden heroes, working tirelessly beneath the surface to improve soil health and manage water cycles. Their extensive root systems act like anchors, preventing soil erosion and improving water infiltration. This is crucial for preventing flooding and ensuring that rainwater is absorbed into the ground, replenishing groundwater reserves. Furthermore, fallen leaves from native trees decompose and enrich the soil, acting as natural fertilizers. This process improves soil fertility, making it more hospitable for other plants to grow. The organic matter from decomposing leaves also helps the soil retain moisture, reducing the need for artificial irrigation. In an era defined by climate change, native trees stand as powerful allies in the fight against global warming. They act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in their wood, leaves, and roots. This process of carbon sequestration is crucial for mitigating the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Planting native trees is a simple yet effective way to contribute to a healthier planet. By choosing native species, we can create resilient and biodiverse ecosystems that can better withstand the challenges of a changing climate. Let us all embrace the power of native trees and work together to create a greener and more sustainable future.